By 2030, Hedera bar costs are expected to range between 0.214248 and 0.404691. Market analysts believe bar might reach 0.16637 by 2025. The pessimistic Hedera market cost forecast for 2023 is 0.038089. Presentation programmer Hedera bar. The Hedera hash graph was devised by Lehman Baird and mechanical chief Mans Harman in the Hedera Overseeing Committee in 2015. Baird and Harman sent Offsworlds as an essential collusion to build and run a live framework. Hedera using its development Swirlds turned out an association called Hedera, later renamed Hedera hash graph, through a reasonable obligation to impending symbolic contributions. In 2018, Hedera Hashgraph generated $124 million by selling its bar digital currency. Hedera Hashgraph, which appeared as a confidential organization, indicates that different organizations might join the organization dynamically before it is made public later. What is Hedera bar? The digital money Hedera Hashgraph, the cryptographic money Hedera, is found on a distinct type of blockchain. The Hedera Hashgraph completely energizes arrangements, dApps, and virtual monetary forms. Another type of strong proof agreement calculation is used to help the Hedera Hashgraph, and the bar money supplies motivators to conditional validators. Deutsche Telekom is one of the world's largest managers. Boeing, IBM, LG, Nomura, Google, T. and others own and run Hedera bar. Specialized investigation, or TA, is the investigation of goods using diagram examples to check the bar coin price expectation and other metrics. It is a strategy of researching the market by utilizing signals and really well-planned equipment. Market participants can use this technique to identify comparable possibilities for trading or investing, as well as to examine the Hedera Hashgraph bar cost expectation. Typically, specialist study is based on real information about a resource, such as market turnover, which uncovered patterns that may be utilized to predict what is likely to happen. The investigation of resources using specific pointers is known as specialized examination, whereas a market cap examination technique uses pointers made expressly for the errand based on the requirements. Brokers and financial backers use this method to identify opportunities for trades or ventures. This examination may be based on previous data on a resource, for example, cost, volume, and so on, which discovered patterns that may be used to predict what is likely to happen. Cryptographic money marks based on expert inspection. A variety of line diagrams and graph styles can be used to drive specialized inquiry of computerized monetary forms. Clients interested in a specialized investigation can concentrate on the biggest cost, market cap, regular cost, most extreme value, Hedera Hashgraph, cost hypothesis, or any other information linked to the Hedera cost gauge utilizing the fundamental pointers given beneath Ichimoku pointer. Ichimoku is a pattern indication that appears complicated but is actually quite simple. This unique Japanese marker was created to highlight support levels, show what is going on, and alert clients when an inclination is likely to be switched. Hedera is now worth $0.047611. Bar has moved 2.76 as of now, with a trading volume of 25,098,872. Hedera is currently ranked 34 among all cryptographic currencies, with a market value of $153,723,931. Using the general strength record RSI moving weighted normal MWA Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness mapped from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Hedera bar to conclude whether we are having a bullish or negative year. Market information and all information is updated in real time on our website, allowing us to provide dynamic cost projections based on current market activity. Forecast for Hedera bar value 2023 from several viewpoints. Hedera is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to increase this year. The bar cost figure for 2023 anticipates a significant expansion in the year's final portion, maybe reaching 0.071416. As with other digital forms of money, the rising will be consistent, but no significant declines are expected, averaging $0.06665, and cost is quite aggressive. But it is feasible soon given anticipated concerted efforts, and Hedera's bar is expected to have a base worth of 0.057133 Hedera bar value expectation because of the probable declarations of various new organizations and drives. We anticipate that the cost of bar will soon outperform 0.119027 in 2024 of every 2024 Hedera bar cost projection has a lot of room for extension. However, before making any positive predictions, we should wait to see if the bar's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone. Wagers taking into account the market unpredictability bar will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 0.095221 and a typical exchanging cost of 0.104744 Hedera bar value forecast class 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 0.16637 and bar might benefit in the event that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. Bar is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 0.152354 and a low of 0.142832 in 2025. Hedera bar value forecast 2026. If Hedera properly helps market sentiment among digital money fans according to our forecasts, the bar coin price could remain steady over the next 5 years. The bar is expected to reach and exceed its all-time high in 2026. The virtual currency will be worth 0.214248 in 2026, with a base cost of 0.190443 and a typical cost of 0.19965 Hedera bar value estimate. 2027. After a broad deciding and specialized investigation, we estimate the bar cost to cross a normal value level of 0.247576 by 2027, with a base cost of 0.238054 expected before the end of the year. Furthermore, bar has a maximum value worth of 0.261859 Hedera bar value expectation 2028 because representing future organizations that are expected to occur by 2028. We anticipate that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 0.295186 if bar manages to break the safe level in 2028. We could see a maximum cost of 0.30947 if we fail to collect the assistance bar requires. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters, which